Hey guys, so I'm making a video on slime and I've already made some. Well, I'm kinda in the middle of making it. I have one more thing to do. I have to put it in the freezer. You don't exactly have to. It's like, this is a little sticky, but if like you like your slime like, hold on. If you like your slime like this, like you can pick it up and like it just falls down and it's kind of sticky and like you have some left on your hands. I wouldn't recommend putting it into the freezer. And I have a very powerful freezer, so I'm only going to put it in for about 2 minutes. So, what you'll need for the slime is clean hands. Well, I have clean hands for now. Some body wash. Shampoo might work. I'm not sure if it does for this recipe because I haven't tried that yet, but it may work. I'm not sure. So I'm using Irish Spring, and you'll need baking soda. I have a beard. So you'll need a beard and a mustache. Now I must wash my face in that sink right there. Ew. Disgusting. Face clean. I need my slime. Yeah, so that was after 2 minutes. And the first time after 2 minutes, it's very transparent. If you, like, you can't squish it yet, or it'll be ruined and your hands will be very messy. But if you just go like this, quick, it doesn't really make a mess. And it's very cold right now, like really cold. So I need to put this in for about 1 minute now. Okay, so you need the Irish Spring, then the baking soda, like I said. And then you'll need something to get the soap and stuff off your hands. And you'll need a plate. and you can use as much soap as you want. I'm using a little bit. Then I'm just going to take a tiny pinch of baking soda. Oh, you also need a spoon, which I have right here. So you'll need to mix that up for a little bit, and I have to go get my other slime out now. So this is what it's like, very slimy and wiggly. Whee! Slime! Whee! Cool, down goes the slime. Okay. So this is after 1 minute in the freezer now. So kind of 3 minutes because I did 2 minutes at first. It's actually pretty good slime. I think it's good. So here it is. Here's my first slime. Here it is. Doesn't stack at all. Leaves a little soap on my hands, but you could either rinse that off and wash your hands, or you could just wipe it off. So I'm going to add another pinch of baking soda. Mix it up. Let's go! Oh, and you'll need a gel, like a gelish soap, not cream. And I'm only using 2 pinches because like this gets really liquidy. So if you have Irish Spring, I would recommend 2 pinches. I think I'm gonna do 1 more because it's still a little bit sticky. Just like a super small one now. Okay, it's really good slime so far. So here it is so far. 1 more, I think. So that's like super duper small one though. Not just small, not tiny, super duper tiny small. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna put it in the freezer for 1 minute because this video is about to end. I'm only gonna leave in for a couple seconds because you already know the recipe and you know what it looks like. So if you have a powerful freezer, I recommend 2 minutes, and then if it's still gooey, I recommend like 1 minute, check it, 1 minute, check it. So, and then if you have a normal freezer, like do 5 minutes. Do 5 to 7 minutes if you have a normal one. And then if you have a weak freezer, I would recommend 10 minutes. Because altogether it's taking about 10 minutes, but mine like freezes up quick, so. Okay, so just took it out of the freezer, and here it is. 2 gorgeous slimes. Bye, everybody.